Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to quickly create a Minecraft server. So I'm going to do it on AWS. AWS has this service called LightSail, and with LightSail you can create fixed price servers. Um, One way to get free credits is creating a startup, like 200 bucks depending on what state you're in. Pick an LLC, apply for the founder program. So AWS has this founder program for startups. They give you $1,000 credits, which you can have a server running up for what, 20 months or a year if you get a higher package for the server. So that's pretty good. Or you can go to eBay and buy AWS credits. So you can buy, just like half price off whatever they're selling. Yeah, so $100 credit for $45. So you can run the server, what, $5 a month, 20 months. Oh, so the $1,000 was 200 months. I mix up, but yeah. But the founder's credit only lasts you for 2 years. So if you want to beef your server for a bunch of people, go on ahead. If you run out of credits, you can always buy credits here for half price. 100 bucks, $45. That's a great deal. This is a server I started up quickly before. I just wanted to see if everything was working. So quick instructions. So I'm gonna go to LightSail, create an instance. OS only, Ubuntu 18.04. We're doing the $5 one. Actually, we'll do a $10 one just to make it quicker. Minecraft, create instance. So for Minecraft to work, this ports have to open. Minecraft ports. Two ports you have to open. So UPD, UDP, and TCP ports. Let's see. Don't remember what they were. Actually, let me just add there. Oh, that's my history. I can't find it. That's fine. Sorry, real quick. I know it's a 25. Just that one, but it was a UDP port. Oh, so we're gonna add this one. So once our license is finished creating, click into it. Go to networking. Excuse my slow internet in Florida, so the internet company here is like a cable company. They suck. All right, so I'm gonna open this TCP port, create. There's a UDP one that you need. There we go. That one, head rule, UDP, creates. All right, once we got those ports opened, we're gonna log into our server. Instructions here, we're gonna update the packages and install Java JRE. No white screen of death. All right, connect. If you're using Windows or you're going to use your own SSH connector. Just create the SSH keys and connect to this by using the web one. It's quicker. All right, so we're going to update and install. And we are going to create a Minecraft folder once this is all set up. Should be quick. Added extra RAM to this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Post up really cool videos, little hacks, server setups, ways to save money, automation. Just follow me. Okay, almost there. I'm sharing the right screen. All right. 1 second, guys. I hope it's the right screen. All right, whatever. Once that's done, we create the Minecraft folder, and we're gonna go into the folder, which is change directory, and then we're gonna download the Minecraft server file. Done, downloaded. All right, so once we got that done, we're gonna run the server once, and it's gonna create a bunch of files for us. I have all the commands listed in the description. Make you guys' life easier. All right, so now we have to go into this text file that I created and accept it. So you see it created the text file, so we're gonna use our editor, using pi text, and we're gonna make this true. Save and quit. Something else we needed to do. I think that should be fine. Just that, and then rerun the server. All right, server is starting the Minecraft version 1.15.2. It's loading resources right now. And let's see what uploads. Craft server tester. Server status. So we got our IP address already here, 54.162.186.84. Enable query equals true. I don't know if we set that, but what the hell, right? Test it anyway. Let's wait for everything to load up. You can also do this method on other Linux server hostings, same way. So this is done. Server is running. Ping the server. See if we get anything back. There we go. Got the version number. Ports open. It's pingable. See, query set to no right there, right? Do we want a server queried? Sure, why not? Just for this video. So I think it's in server options. That's where all your customizations are. There's sudo vi file name. Query somewhere here. Enable query. There you go. So here's your set your fun commands for your server, or whatever your friends want to do. Save this. Run the server. Just change the values, make it true or false. All up to you. Personalize it the way you like it. All right, so reloading everything. I think it's loaded. Let's try this again. Refresh this. Oh, I just saw it. All right, it's queryable. So we don't have any record set up. Oh, there's a cache results. Oh, never mind. Wait, it's still loading. All right. Refresh this. Okay, I don't know what I did wrong, but I should have querying enabled there, but whatever. You can share this IP address with your friends, go into multiplayer, and have fun with them. Easy way to start your own server. It took what, less than 5 minutes to get everything up and running. You can also do it on any Linux hosting. So Linode's one company. What else? It's AWS. AWS, you can have free ones. If you don't plan on having many people, you can use the free tier. It's like $3.50 a month. It's not bad. $3. Party with your friends, right? Alrighty. So that's about it for this video. Leave any likes, comments. If you want any more tutorials, descriptions, let me know.